Shaman, do you want something? Do you want something? Really? What? What? Really? You want this? Really? Come over here. Oh my God, what is it? What is it? Oh my God. Not cheesy toast. It's margarine toast. With apricot spread. Yes, organic apricots. And he's eating that. Yep. I'm not going to eat this piece of toast, folks. This is for Shaman. I'm going to throw away the bread and start all over again. For my breakfast, but he gets one. Okay, fine. Crazy kid eating apricot jam. Oh yeah, eat that apricot jam. That's yummy. I don't know if this is good for him. Silly buddy. You want to eat some more? Okay. Goodbye.